Dear students, we will do a new module, module 30. This is also about computation of taxable salary. In this module also, we will do two problems. So the first problem, compute the taxable salary of Mr. M for the assessment year 25-26 who has opted for the old scheme. Place of employment is Mumbai, population below 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. Pay rupees 25,000 per month. DA rupees 5,000 per month under the terms of employment. That meaning it's entering into retirement benefits. UTE meaning under the terms of employment. Provided with a rent-free furnished 5-room house. The fair rental value of the house is rupees 12,000 per month. Cost of furnishing 1,30,000 which included expenditure on furnishing a room with rupees 30,000 which is used for official purposes. So that 1,30,000 minus 30,000 is the furnishing provided to the employee. Now Mr. M and his employer are both contributing 13% of salary towards RPF. Employer's contribution in excess of 12% is taxable. Telephone bill rupees 2,500 paid by employer, but the telephone was used only for official purposes. So it is not taxable. Club bill paid by the employer rupees 4,100 fully taxable. Education allowance rupees 3,900 for his 2 children. Reimbursement of medical expenses for the treatment of a notified hospital for a notified disease rupees 1,555. It's exempted. He is provided with a car of 14 HP which is provided only for official purposes. It is not taxable since it is only for official purposes. Leave travel concession to go to a hill station rupees 26,500 and the actual amount spent was rupees 19,650. So the balance will be taxable. So first we have to calculate the RFA, rent-free accommodation. So rent-free accommodation, RFA. You have to remember what all will be included for the computation of salary. One is basic pay plus dearness allowance. It's under the terms of employment. So it's entering into retirement benefits computation plus education allowance. So when you substitute the values, we get 3 lakhs, 25,000 is the salary plus DA 5,000 per month, 60,000. Now education allowance taxable 100 rupees per child for 2 children. So he is getting 1,500 taxable value. So the RFA for computation is, salary for computation of RFA is 3,61,500. 3,61,500. Now population of the city is 35 lakhs. That meaning as per the new scheme 7.5%. As per the new scheme 10% of salary. 3,61,500. Population is above 40 lakhs. So into 10 by 100. This is the value of RFA. So that is 36,150. Now add cost of furnishing 1,30,000 minus 30,000 which is used for official purpose. So 1 lakh into 10 by 100. Into 10 by 100 that is equal to 10,000. So the value of RFA is 46,150. 46,150. This is the value of RFA. Now we can compute the taxable salary. Taxable salary. First is all the things whatever is taxable we have to include. First is basic pay. Title should be there. Title is table showing the computation of taxable salary of Mr. M for the assessment year 25-26. So basic pay 25,000 into 12. Here you will get 3 lakhs. Second is DA 5,000 into 12. You will get 60,000. 60,000. Third is employer's contribution in excess of 12% for RPF. 13% employer is contributing. 3,60,000 into 13 by 100 minus 3,60,000 into 12 by 100. You will get RPF, recognized provident fund. The taxable value is 3,600. 3,600. Now, salary for taking RPF is salary plus DA. Now, club bill paid is fully taxable. Club bill fully taxable because it's employees obligation met by the employer, 4,100. Children's education allowance, he is getting 3,900 and the exempted amount is 2 children 100 rupees each, so 2,400. So education allowance is 1,500 taxable. 1,500 taxable. Now leave travel concession, actual amount minus the amount spent. Leave travel allowance, whatever is not spent is taxable. 6,850. 6,850. Now RFA value we calculated. That is 46,150. 46,150. Now gross salary is equal to 4,22,200. Since he has adopted old scheme, his standard deduction is 50,000. Only standard deduction he will be eligible. So the value taxable salary is 3,72,200. So this is the taxable salary. So this is the first problem I wanted to explain. Now the next problem. Compute the taxable salary of Mr. S for the assessment year 25-26. Place of work is Pune. Population 35 lakhs as per 2011 census. Salary 48,000 per month. DA 10,000 per month. City compensatory allowance or CCA 800 per month. Entertainment allowance 12,000 per annum. Commission on sales achieved by him 24,000 taxable. Furnished RFA for which employer paid a municipal tax of rupees 60,000 and furniture value is 1,20,000. This means employer is the owner of the house. Medical reimbursement for treatment in a private hospital fully taxable. Earlier problem, it was for notified disease from a notified hospital. That was why it was exempted. He is provided with a car of 1.8 litre capacity for official and personal expenses. Employer paid rupees 12,000 for the driver and rupees 24,000 for maintenance of the car, and the normal depreciation of the car is rupees 30,000. Assessing officer has assessed that 40% of the car is used for personal expenses. We don't have to consider that. 1.8 cubic litre capacity, the car value, whatever is provided by the Income Tax Act, we will take, and driver's expense 900 per month. Professional tax paid by the employer, fully taxable 2,000. Travelling allowance rupees 16,000 and daily allowance rupees 12,000 paid by the employer. Mr. M and his employer contributed 90,000 towards RPF. So recognized provident fund, if it's above 12%, it is taxable. So first computation is RFA here also. Rent-free accommodation, it's an important computation. Salary for computation of RFA is salary plus CCA, city compensatory allowance, plus entertainment allowance, plus commission. Substituting the values, you will get 5,76,000 plus city compensatory allowance 9,600 plus entertainment allowance taxable 12,000 plus commission 24,000. So the salary for computation of RFA is 6,21,600. 6,21,600. Now population of the city is 35 lakhs. So that as per the new scheme, RFA value is 7.5%. So RFA value is 7.5% of 6,21,600 into 7.5 divided by 100. Value is 46,620. 46,620. Now cost of furnishing 1,20,000 into 10 by 100. This we have to add, that is 12,000. So total RFA value we have to take, taxable value is 58,620. This is the taxable value of RFA. So this we computed RFA. Now we have to take the computation of salary. Computation of salary, that is, title should be there, table showing the computation of taxable salary of Mr. M for the assessment year 25-26. Salary is equal to 48,000 into 12. Salary 5,76,000. 5,76,000. Second is DA 10,000 into 12. That is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 DA. Dearness allowance. Third is city compensatory allowance 800 into 12. CCA 9,600. 9,600. Fourth is entertainment allowance fully taxable. Entertainment allowance private sector employee 12,000. 12,000. Now commission 24,000. Commission 24,000. Commission 24,000. Then medical expenses reimbursed. Since the treatment is from a private hospital, medical expenses fully taxable 12,000. Now next is professional tax paid by the employer. Professional tax fully taxable 2,000. As per the new scheme, you have to remember entertainment allowance and professional tax fully taxable. Now employer's contribution to RPF. Employer is contributing 90,000. Actually allowed is 12% of the salary. So here salary, basic salary, DA is not entering. So commission will come. So here 5,76,000 plus 24,000 commission. So 6 lakhs, 12% you have to calculate. 90,000 minus 12% of 6 lakhs is 72,000. So the taxable RPF taxable is 18,000. 18,000. Now car is equal to 1.8 cubic capacity, meaning 2,400 into 12. Then driver's expenses 900 into 12. So total is car and driver, car plus driver, taxable value is 39,600. 39,600. Now RFA value we have already calculated. RFA value we have already calculated. 58,620. 58,620. Now we can take the gross salary. Gross salary value is 8,71,000. 8,71,820. Less deduction under section 16. Under section 16, since it's the new scheme, he has opted 75,000 deduction. Now taxable salary is equal to 7,96,820. So this is the second problem I wanted to explain. Do the problems again and again, so then you will be comfortable with the adjustments. The more you practice, you can complete the exam paper on time. Happy learning. Thank you.